Okay, this is Sao Paulo ruins. We're gonna come up on the back side of this, so we're just gonna walk straight down this church, down this way. So and we're gonna see the back side of Sao Paulo ruins. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, before we go down to Sao Paulo ruins, we're just going to show you some of the stuff that's around here. So we have this street that we're going to follow in a minute. We have this little, this one kind of goes down to these other videos I did earlier. It was the Albuquerque, the art area. Kyungwoo Hospital is right there. That big building is Kyungwoo Hospital. There's kind of a McDonald's and a little median right here. Honolulu Cafe is down that way as well. Straight that way, straight right there. And we're going to follow this one down to Sao Paulo ruins. And it's getting a little bit dark, so I don't know. I think we have the lighting just about right, so we're still able to catch it, at least at the moment. Zambia Workhouse, okay. Coco Legend. So yeah, you can still catch everything with the lighting at the moment. Then we're gonna be behind Sao Paulo ruins, and one of the loyal viewers on Get Sidetracked was asking me to go back here. I do have other films of it, so you can definitely find those, but I'm not sure how I labeled them, so so it might not be so easy to find. He's going down that way. Okay. This store is called Miss Korea Girl. Okay, so we're coming up behind Sao Paulo ruins. It's a little bit dark, so I don't know how well you'll be able to see things, but we'll do our best. And I do have some other films. I have at least a few films back here, so I don't know, maybe some of you have seen it before, but each film is a little bit different. So, you know, you can go to the same place twice, as it's a totally different experience because different things jump out at you. So, okay, I guess everybody's. So just for reference, Huade antenna. And so this one right here is like a big, what do you call that, fortress. So I've definitely filmed up there and walked around there kind of recently as well. So you can find those too. And then Sao Paulo ruins is directly here, so we're kind of on the back side of it. So we're on a street that's directly behind it. So okay, it's actually some kind of cool alley stuff. Okay. So yeah, so this is the back side of Sao Paulo ruins, and there's a park over there as well. And there's also stuff over here too. And it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool because you have like kind of a bunch of older stuff here. And you wouldn't even know it. And then if you walk this way, you can go into this park, and there's a bunch of people that hang out at that park all the time. A lot of times like Filipino, Indonesian, Chinese, everybody hangs out there. It's a reference, Patio de Espino. So yeah, this is the backside of Sao Paulo ruins. And that's the backside of the church right there as well. Huh. Kind of want to follow one of these. So, look at all that cord in there. Sheesh. That's incredible. Huh. Got a whole little alley back here. Look at that. Look how cool that looks. This is almost like a little private rooftop right there. Wow. It's really cool. And then this tree has like a red ribbon around it. Huh. Kind of want to walk down this street now. You know what? I'm gonna do a different video. This is too cool to waste. So I'm just gonna come back up here and then we're gonna end it showing you the backside of Sao Paulo ruins, and then I'm gonna go back there and do a separate film. I did film down in here before. I'll see if I can link it. I don't know if I can or not, but this is the backside of Sao Paulo ruins right there. And I've walked by here and I filmed. There's another place that's a little bit like that. I think I'm gonna try to do a whole separate video back there. So anyways, that's Sao Paulo ruins right there. And I'm gonna end it on this space.
Toma cuidado la